1415, on St. Crispin's Day at the Battle of Agincourt, the English destroyed all French hope of victory and ended the 100-Year War. In 1451, from land across the sea, warring Iroquois tribes made a lasting peace in a newborn Confederacy. 300 years later, the French and the English brought their strife to the American shore. The Iroquois nation allied with the French in the French and Indian War. Defeated again, the French then supported the colonists' revolution, who on winning then used that Iroquois model in framing their new constitution. Bang Badibig.